Myself Riaz Ahmed, vocational trainer from GHS Dhadam Ramban, trading partner BABL, vocational coordinator तानिया महाजन. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लेवल फर्स्ट का थर्ड यूनिट स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन टू फील्ड प्रिपरेशन एंड प्लांटिंग. सो हमारा पहला टॉपिक है व्हाट इज़ वेदर. वेदर क्या होता है? इट describe the condition of the air at a particular time and place. Weather also tells how the air moves and describe anything it might be carrying such as rain, snow or clouds. Thunder, lightning, rainbows, haze and other special events are all part of weather. Weather क्या होता है? It is about the atmosphere. It is a condition. It keeps changing any time of the day. It varies from place to place. It has a lot of elements. What is climate? Climate क्या होता है? It describes the average weather condition in certain place of or during a certain season. Weather may change from day to day, but climate changes only over hundreds or thousands of years. Many animals and plants need one kind of climate to survive. Dolphins and palm trees can live only in a warm climate, while polar bears and spruce trees need a cold climate. Climate-related climatic factor of agricultural productivity: carbon dioxide, temperature, solar radiation, precipitation, other wind speed and direction, soil moisture, water vapor, etc. रेनफॉल एंड वाटर, जो कि क्लाइमेट का एक अहम पार्ट है. Rainfall is the most common form of precipitation. It is the falling of water in droplets on the surface of the earth from clouds. Other form of precipitation are freezing rain, sleet or ice pelts, snowfall and hail. The amount and regularity of rainfall vary with location and climate types and affect the dominance of certain types of vegetation as well as crop growth and yield. Light. Light is a climatic factor that is essential in production of chlorophyll and in photosynthesis, the process by which plants manufacture food in the form of sugar carbohydrate. Air. The air is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere. According to Miller 2001, about 75% of this air is found in the troposphere, the innermost layer of the atmosphere, which extend about 17 km above sea level at the equator and about 8 km over the poles. In addition, about 99% of the clean dry air in the troposphere consists of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. The remainder consists of organs, slightly less than 1% carbon dioxide, 0.036%, and traces of other gases. Wind. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a substance is called temperature. It is commonly expressed in the degree Celsius or centigrade and degree Fahrenheit, which denote this climatic factor influences all plant growth processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration, breaking of seed, dormancy, seed germination, protein synthesis and translocation. हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक है इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड इक्विपमेंट यूज्ड फॉर वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. Air thermometer, used to measure air temperature. It is hollow glass tube with a liquid alcohol or mercury inside. When the air temperature is high, the liquid inside expands or goes up, but when the air temperature is low, the liquid goes down. Anemometer. The measure wind speed. The cups catch the wind, turning a dial attached to the instrument. The dial shows the wind speed. Windman. An instrument that determines the direction from which the wind is blowing. Hygrometer. Measure the water vapor's content of air or humidity. Sling psychrometer, the measure relative humidity using the cooling effect of evaporation. Two thermometers are used in sling psychrometer. Barometer measures air pressure. It tells whether or not the pressure is rising or falling. A rising barometer means sunny or dry condition, while falling barometer means stormy and wet condition. Rain gauge measure amount of rain that has fallen over a specific time or period. New knowledge. Weather is the daily condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Meteorologists are people who study about the daily weather condition of the place. They record and report any information about the weather. Dear student, हमारा thought topic है field and seedbed preparations. इसमें पहला germination is seedling emergence. Germination results in rupture of the seed coat and emergence of seedling from embryonic axis. In other words, germination is sprouting of seed. Factor affecting seed germination. The essential factor for seed germination are temperature, moisture or water, soil, light, viability of the seed, dormancy period and thickness of the seed coat. Temperature, moisture, light or darkness, viability of the seed. Internal factor, seed dormancy due to internal condition of its releases. In some plants, the embryo is not fully mature at the time of seed shedding. Such seeds do not germinate till the embryo attain maturity. Procedure of ploughing, puddling and leveling. Ploughing or tilling. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. This is done by using a plough. Ploughs are made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. Puddling. Puddling is a ploughing the land with standing water so as to create an impressive layer below the surface to reduce deep percolation losses of water and to provide soft seed bed for planting seedling. Leveling. The ploughed field may have big pieces of soil calicroms, so they need to broken into smaller pieces with a plunk. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose with help of leveler. A leveler is drawn by animals by a tractor. Difference between shallow and deep ploughing. Deep ploughing, in this ploughing, deep depth of ploughing and cultivation greater than 20 centimeters. The most commonly used implement is the disc plough. Shallow ploughing. In this ploughing, depth of ploughing or cultivation 7 to 10 centimeters. Summer ploughing and harrowing. Summer ploughing is done in month of May for kharif crops is known as summer ploughing. Harrowing. Harrowing is a scanty tillage operation which is done to a shallow depth for smoothing and bulverizing the soil as well as to cut the weeds and to mix the material with the soil. Procedure of pre-treatment of seed before sowing. High quality seed is the key to agriculture. The demand of modern agriculture is that every seed sown should germinate and produce a vigorous plant and produce optimum yield. Insufficient plant establishment leads to decrease in seed yield. Therefore, pre-treatment of seed sowing is applied. Difference between between conventional tillage and minimum tillage. In the modern concept of tillage, in conventional tillage, the soil is open with a mold-board plough. For primary tillage, the soil mass is broken into a loose system of clods of mixed size. Subsequently, a fine seed bed is prepared by secondary tillage, in which operation like crushing of clods, repacking, incorporation of plant residue, fertilizing, smoothing of soil surface, etc. Minimum tillage. Minimum tillage is aimed at reducing tillage to the minimum necessary for ensuring a good seedbed, rapid germination, satisfactory stand, and favorable growing condition. Tillage can be reduced in two ways: by omitting preparation which do not give any benefit when compared to the cost, by combining agriculture operation like seedling and fertilizer application. Our last topic is preparation of seed bed. A seedling bed is the local soil environment in which seeds are planted. Soil of seedbed needs to be loose, smooth, and without large clumps. Large clumps, uneven depth would make plant depth random. Seedbed preparation is done by secondary tillage through the use of harrow and cultivator. Steps in seedbed preparation: removal of debris, leveling, breaking up the soil improvement, fertilizer. Seedbed treatment: for raising healthy seedlings, soil must be treated for making it pathogen and pest free. Method of treatment: soil solarization, formalin solution treatment, application of fungicide, use of insecticide, fumigation. Sowing: the sowing method is determined by crop to be sown. Method of sowing rare are broadcasting, line sowing, dibbling, transplanting, planting, putting seed behind the plough. Care and maintenance of seedling. Following management practices are appropriate for care and maintenance of seedling: mulching, watering, thinning, weed control, protection against diseases, hardening of seedlings. Packaging and management. Packaging is the system in which young plants are kept till they are transplanted. They have to be packed in such way that they do not lose their rigidity and are able to establish themselves on new site. Proper handling, use of proper material as cover, etc. fall under good management. Thank you.